Hey, quick video. I got some new projects. Yeah, heaters. Unfreezing the first one. This is one of them. Let me get in the front of it. This is, I don't know. The ad said it was from the 50s. It's a speedex tractor. I've had my original one in a couple of videos. I'll have that in video in a second here. This is one of two that I bought for $150. Main reason I bought the two of these tractors was, number one, the one that's outside is going to be parts one for my original one. This one just happened to come along with it, so this one's going to get fixed. Yeah, bent steering wheel. That's not a big deal though. We'll take the one off the other tractor. Alright. Now, I also, with these tractors, got a hood. The red one. Green hood was my original. That's my new one. Yes, it needs work. But it's better than that one. Alright, let's go outside because it's noisy in here. This is a 4-speed transmission. And it's full of water. So, the turbo heater is warming it up because everything is stuck. It doesn't want to roll. I can't turn the pulley. Alright. Hood. Alright. Go here, look at the other one. And the other one. Yeah. Modifications. Parts tractor. Yeah, well, we got the working one, which is parked over here. There it is. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's, yeah, it's painted. That was a project from last winter, and it's sat ever since. Now, I didn't get it on video or anything, but this handbrake, which I never had, was on that other parts tractor that I bought. So I put it on here. Handy. That was also another good reason to pick up the parts tractors. $150 tractors. This one is my grandfather's. And now I have two more, which are one's for parts, one's gonna be fixed slowly. This one is the main objective, but I'm just working on another one, so like transmission is pretty good. But anyways, alright, I'm gonna end the video here. You have a good one.